Close proximity to the metro, surrounded by a Rouse Hill and Castle Hill shopping centre, and obviously in a good school catchment.
Welcome to 7 Wheedon Street, Glenwood, where the opportunity speaks louder than its renovations. See you at the open home.
With 4 bedrooms, 2 living spaces and the outdoor entertainment area, it's about the footprint, the location and the layout. These are the expensive things you want to get right.
From the flooring to the paint to its finishes, with a few simple changes, this place is ready for its next chapter.